Welcome back to TechMirror, best ping pong rackets for 2026. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these top-rated paddles offer unmatched control, speed, and precision. Stay tuned as we break down each racket's features to help you choose the perfect fit. Check out the links in the description for more details and grab your ideal racket today. Number 5. The Pro Spin Ping Pong Paddles deliver professional-level performance, making them an excellent choice for players of all skill levels. Crafted with a 7-ply blade that combines 5 layers of premium wood and 2 layers of carbon fiber, these rackets offer remarkable control and precision. The carbon fiber construction enhances stability, allowing players to execute accurate shots with minimal vibration. Each paddle also features ITTF-approved rubber, ensuring it meets official competition standards. One of the standout features is the expanded sweet spot, which provides enhanced power, speed, and precision. The premium rubber and 2.0mm sponge create the perfect balance of spin and control, allowing for consistent performance in both offensive and defensive play. The ergonomic concave handle with an inner carbon tube ensures a comfortable and secure grip, reducing strain during long practice sessions or competitive matches. These paddles are versatile, suitable for beginners looking to improve their technique and advanced players seeking competitive advantages. They perform exceptionally well with table tennis robots, casual games, or competitive matches. The included paddle case adds convenience, keeping the rackets protected when not in use. Users report that these paddles significantly improve their gameplay. The lightweight yet sturdy design feels professional, while the rubber allows for precise spin and controlled shots. Overall, the Pro Spin Ping Pong paddles combine durability, control, and comfort, making them a top choice for anyone passionate about table tennis. They offer excellent value and performance that rivals high-end professional rackets. Number 4. The Stiga Pro Carbon Table Tennis Racket is designed for players who demand professional-level performance. Built with precision and advanced technology, this racket combines a 7-ply blade featuring 5 layers of lightweight balsa wood and 2 layers of high-performance carbon fiber. This construction delivers a larger sweet spot, allowing for cleaner hits and improved accuracy on every shot. The 2mm sponge enhances control while maximizing speed and spin, making it ideal for competitive play. Equipped with ITTF-approved smooth inverted S5 rubber, the racket offers high elasticity, exceptional spin, and remarkable speed. Stiga's nanocomposite and ACS technologies create strong bonds in the rubber, ensuring outstanding durability and consistent performance. Additional innovations, including crystal and WRB technologies, make the blade lighter yet more powerful, providing faster returns and enhanced sensitivity for precise touch shots. The ergonomic design, with a 4 1/4-inch grip, ensures comfort and control during intense matches. Weighing just 159 grams, the racket is light enough to allow quick reactions while maintaining stability for powerful strokes. Its red and blue design not only meets ITTF standards, but also reflects Stiga's commitment to quality and style. Players of professional and tournament-level skill will appreciate the balance of speed, spin, and control, rated at 99, 100, and 80 respectively. Users praise the racket for its superior blades and rubber, noting its long-lasting quality and impressive performance. Overall, the Stiga Pro Carbon Table Tennis Racket is an exceptional choice for anyone serious about excelling in table tennis, offering reliability, precision, and professional-grade craftsmanship in every match. Number 3. The Pro Spin Ping Pong Paddle Set is a complete package designed for players of all ages and skill levels, offering high-quality performance for both casual and competitive play. This 4-player set includes premium ping pong paddles, 3-star training balls, and a compact storage case, making it perfect for family game nights, indoor practice, or outdoor matches. Each paddle features a 1.8mm sponge that enhances spin and control, allowing players to execute precise shots with confidence. One of the highlights of this set is the ultra-smooth triple-sanded handles, which provide an exceptionally comfortable grip. The ergonomic design ensures that the paddles feel like a natural extension of the hand, reducing fatigue during long sessions. The precision-crafted construction combines style and performance, offering a paddle that is both durable and responsive. The included 3-star ping pong balls are designed to withstand powerful serves and smashes, making them suitable for both training and competitive games. Their consistent bounce and resilience ensure a reliable playing experience on any table. The compact storage case keeps the paddles and balls organized and protected when not in use, adding convenience and portability to the set. Players and families alike will appreciate the versatility of this set. It caters to beginners learning the basics, enthusiasts sharpening their skills, and experienced players seeking reliable training equipment. Users have praised the set for its quality and enjoyment, noting that it brings fun and skill development together seamlessly. With the Pro Spin Ping Pong Paddle set, every game becomes an opportunity to improve, have fun, and enjoy the spirit of table tennis. Number 2. The JP WinLook Ping Pong Paddle set is an ideal choice for players of all skill levels, from beginners to advanced enthusiasts. This complete 4-player set includes 4 high-quality table tennis paddles, 8 3-star ping pong balls, and a portable case, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor play. The convenient case keeps all equipment organized and allows for easy transport, whether you are heading to a family game night or a picnic. Each paddle is crafted from 5 layers of crack-resistant wood, providing durability and stability during intense gameplay. The flared ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip, giving players better control and confidence with every shot. The medium soft sponge on the paddles enhances ball feel and spin, allowing for precise, controlled returns and improved overall performance. The set includes 8 40mm 3-star ITTF-approved balls made from durable ABS material. These balls are suitable for training, casual matches, and competitive play, offering consistent bounce and reliable performance. Players can enjoy fun and competitive games whether playing on indoor tables or outdoor surfaces. Users appreciate the versatility and quality of the JP WinLook set, noting that the paddles provide a reasonable grip on both standard and lighter balls. The set is designed for long-lasting use while maintaining professional-level playability. Overall, the JP WinLook Ping Pong Paddle set offers exceptional value, combining durability, comfort, and performance. It is a reliable choice for families, recreational players, and anyone looking to enhance their table tennis experience. Number 1. The Glimnness Ping Pong Paddle set is an excellent choice for players of all levels, offering a complete table tennis experience for indoor and outdoor games. This set includes 4 high-quality paddles, 8 competition standard balls, and a durable storage case, making it convenient for family play, practice sessions, or casual matches with friends. The compact case protects the equipment from dust and scratches and allows for easy transport so you can enjoy a game almost anywhere. Each paddle is constructed with 7 layers of poplar wood and a high-elasticity soft sponge, providing durability, balanced weight, and responsive performance. The durable rubber surface is 1.5 meter thick and inverted, enhancing control, spin, and ball speed for precise gameplay. The advanced sidebands reduce edge wear, extending the life of each paddle even with regular use. The ergonomic flared handles are narrower at the top and wider at the bottom, offering a comfortable grip and excellent flexibility. This design allows for long practice sessions without hand fatigue, ensuring consistent performance. The paddle's combination of control, rotation, and stability makes them suitable for beginners, intermediate players, and casual professionals alike. Users appreciate this set for its quality, affordability, and versatility. It provides an enjoyable experience for family nights, friendly competitions, and casual entertainment. The Glimnness Ping Pong Paddle set successfully blends durability, comfort, and performance, making it a reliable and well-rounded choice for anyone looking to enhance their table tennis experience. That wraps up our countdown of the 5 best ping pong rackets for 2026. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned player, these paddles offer the perfect blend of control, spin, and speed to elevate your game. Check out the links in the description to learn more and grab your ideal racket today. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates.